For this Google Classroom, we're going to be looking at 10 more and 10 less. I put hundreds charts on all of your screens for today, so all you have to do is read this top sentence to see if you're adding 10 more or if you're taking away 10 less. So down here in the corner, you'll see a yellow circle. You're going to grab that yellow circle with your mouse, and you're going to move it to whatever number you think. So I have 10 more than 84. I'm going to find 84 on my hundreds chart, which is right there. Then I'm going to think 10 more touch the floor, which means I go down a row. I'm adding 10. I'm going to take my circle, and I'm going to put it right over 94, because I know 10 more than 84 is 94. Now, some of my screens you'll see have red text, and the red text means that you're doing 10 less. You're taking away 10. So this one says 10 less than 39. I'm going to find 39 on my hundreds chart, and then I'm going to think 10 less, take away 10. I'm going to go up one row. So I'm going to take my circle down here. I'm going to put it over 29 because I know 10 less than 39 is 29. Now they're all mixed up, so you really have to look at if you're doing 10 more or 10 less. Make sure you're getting the right one. When you reach the bottom one, make sure you turn it in for your teacher.